Okay, so here's an example. This is just a spreadsheet that I have in Google Sheets. I got the name of the groups, how many members it has. I like to organize them with the biggest ones first and then the URL. So if I made something, let's say go to Funimation, they have over 2 million members. If I click on this, it'll take me to the Facebook page and I can see them over here. So right off the bat, I can see that they let me post. This is what I'm after. Over here, I can scroll down and see how many people like it, how many people follow it. So this is a really good place for me to put some stuff up. A lot of places don't like straight up sales, so you're not going to do that. You're going to follow the rules of all of the groups that you have. But I could go in here and I could paste something in. For example, I've just got my book up and ready. I can just click paste. And it'll actually, since it's a link to Amazon page, it's fetching a preview you can see here. And eventually it'll show a picture of my book. I'm giving things away. I'm asking people if they'd be interested in doing something. This might fly. But if I go down further, you can see other pages that might be good for you to add to your list. Up here as well, if you're looking for animation, you could type in animation, hit enter. This one is one of my groups. Here's another one. You can click on these, you can join them, go to the page, and then you can join it, and then you can start posting things right away. This is a way to get your stuff potentially in front of millions of people. This is where your click-through rate and things happen, but you're not actually paying for it, so it's basically win-win. This is a very good way to get started. Make yourself your very own spreadsheet. Keep the names and the members and the links. As you go through, if I post it here, I go over here and I'll make it green, for example, and then I'll move down the list. Eventually, Facebook will tell you you're doing this too much or you're a robot. You'll say you're not a robot and you're going to stop doing it for like at least 8 hours. That way you can do about 8 to 10 chunks at a time. And as you can see, I've got quite a list here. It gets a lot of traction for what you're trying to share out. Don't forget, you want to share things out for free as well. You don't want to be one of those people always saying, look at me, buy from me. You want to have a relationship with the people that you're trying to engage.